Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will know that how to fix Prime Video problem. If you got any problem with your Prime Video, Amazon Prime, so how to fix it, in this video we will know that step by step. So guys, let's start the video. So as you can see here, Prime Video is not working on my TV, and when I press this button it is not open. So how to fix it? So guys, go your TV setting. This is your TV setting option, click on it, and after that guys, find here a option apps. Okay, now click on it. Now guys, under this list find Prime Video. So if you don't find here, click here, see all option, and after that guys, find here Prime Video app under this list. So find here, so this is your Prime Video. Okay, now click on it. Now guys, click here clear cache. Now click here clear cache. Now click on OK. Now guys, click here clear data. Now click on it, and after that guys, when you click on this OK button, your app will be sign out. Okay, you can again sign in this option. So click on it, and after that guys, click here disable option. Okay, now click on it and click here OK, and after that guys, you can see here enable upgrade here. Now again click on it and click here OK button. Okay, and after that guys, if your problem is not fixed here, click here for stop option. Okay, and click here OK button, and after that guys, click here open, and click here open. Your problem will be fixed here. You can see here our Amazon Prime will launch here. So guys, you can see here our Amazon Prime is working now. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, so how to fix it? Now uninstall updates. So sometimes when your TV got some updates, they are not working on your TV. So just click here uninstall and uninstall these updates. Okay, and after that guys, check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, now go back and find here this app option, and if this app option is not found here, click here again setting option. Now click here setting, and after that guys, click here again apps option, and click here see all apps, and find here Google Play Store. Okay, Google Play Store, click on it. Now open, click here open button. So guys, you can see here Google Play Store get open here, and after that guys, click here search option. This is your search option. Now type here under this search Amazon Prime. So guys, you can see here your app will displayed here Prime Video. Now select this app. Okay, now click on it. So guys, you can see here Prime Video, your Prime Videos displayed here under this TV. Okay, now uninstall and updates, these two options are displayed here. So guys, if their option is displayed update, click on it and update your Prime Video. So guys, you can see here it will download and automatically update. So wait for some time until this process complete. So guys, you can see here there are no any update option are displayed because our Video Prime get updates. Okay, so after that guys, check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, now uninstall this apps, click on it and click here OK, and after that guys, reinstall this app again on your TV. Okay, so guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.